Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will help you understand how to play War Thunder. To begin your journey, select one of the many nations available, each with unique vehicles. Start with the basic starter vehicles to get a feel for the controls and game mechanics. Make sure to complete the tutorial missions. They are crucial for learning essential maneuvers and understanding the user interface. This foundational knowledge will set you up for success in your first battles. War Thunder offers a vast array of vehicles across three distinct categories: powerful aircraft, robust ground vehicles, and formidable naval vessels. As you play, you will earn research points and silver lions, which are vital for unlocking new vehicles and upgrading their performance with modifications. Remember to invest in your crew skills. A well-trained crew can drastically enhance your vehicle's effectiveness, from faster reloads to improved targeting, giving you a significant edge in combat. Effective combat in War Thunder requires strategic thinking. Always aim for enemy weak spots, such as engine compartments or ammunition racks, to maximize your damage output. In ground battles, use the environment to your advantage by finding cover and utilizing terrain for ambushes. For air combat, mastering energy management, balancing speed and altitude, is key. Always maintain situational awareness to track enemy positions and anticipate their moves, ensuring you stay one step ahead. War Thunder provides diverse game modes to suit various playstyles. Arcade battles are perfect for quick, action-packed matches with simplified physics and multiple respawns. For a more challenging experience, realistic battles offer authentic vehicle performance and a greater emphasis on tactical play with fewer respawns. Consider teaming up with one or two friends in a squad. Coordinated efforts and communication can significantly improve your chances of victory and make the game even more enjoyable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.